showing his game development process, and everyone in the team who you see right now is actually working on their own game. And I'm going to check in with our teammates in maybe like 10 minutes, or even right now, if you can share, guys, whatever you're making in chat, or we could go like just, yeah, basically we can ask, I guess, everyone what they're making. Yeah, let's start from Jason, since he's streaming. He's going to share with us what he's going to stream.
All right, so to start off, I made a basketball game on Rosebud yesterday. I'm going to add power-ups to it. So if anybody has ideas for power-up, I'd love to add it.
Nice. Roro Truck is writing Super Jump.
I'll show the game first just to give you guys an idea.
Cool.
Yeah, Roro Truck is really liking your game, Jason. He's
Yes,
writing cool.
thank you.
There is no sound streaming, just in case. I think it also have some cool sounds.
Oh,
Oh, is
yeah,
it?
Jason, yeah.
If there are
Oh, yeah.
sounds,
Yeah, we don't hear it.
okay, sure, I'll enable.
Yeah, we can hear it now. Cool.
You hear now? Cool.
I think I hear the DJ through somebody else's thing, which is fine. It's a lot less loud than last time.
Nice. So Roro Track is suggesting to get points when you can get like cool basketball shots. Or just cool basketballs. All right. Then let's discuss whatever, what kind of ideas you want to make into games, guys. Alicia, do you have an idea?
Yeah, I want to riff on the new character template that Vladimir put up. So
Nice.
I'm gonna, come up with the new characters, see if I can change the background and stuff.
Yeah, I also want to play with this template and make it a bit more interactive.
Yeah,
Great.
the
That's
generation failed. What happened?
John, what would you like to create this time?
I think I'm gonna continue on the one from last time. I want to see if I can polish it.
Can you remind us what was your game last time?
It was that one with a sphere where you have to absorb different colors.
Cool. Share the link with the chat.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Then Corey, what do you have in mind? Hey, Corey, can you hear us? I think you're allowed to speak.
I can hear you. I think I figured it out. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. I haven't decided. I was just getting some ideas, actually. Something 2D. I think instead of a puzzle this time, something more action-y.
Interesting. All right, keep us posted then.
Okay.
Cool. Then Lewe, what are you making?
I still want to play with the spreadsheet animation thing. I might do 2 projects in the same time. I want to use like.
You're really faint, Lowe. Oh yeah.
Yeah, a bit lower. Yeah.
Here.
Change my. Can you hear me now?
I think it's the same volume, but I can hear you. You can tell me or write in chat.
Yeah, I'll write in chat.
Nice. Okay. Did you miss anyone? Oh, Luik and Andre. Luik, let's start from you.
Yeah, I'm going back to 3D. Wanted to start with a Jenga game, but I think it may be a little bit too ambitious for my skills. So I'm going to do first a game where I'm going to be able to kind of stack wooden blocks together. So let's see how it goes.
Nice. All right, interesting. Andre, what are you making this time?
My idea is extremely simple. I just want to recreate old game Pac-Man.
Awesome. It is pretty simple. Let's see how it goes.
Not especially simple, I disagree.
How
It's
can you
quite
make it even more
complicated one.
simplistic? Cool.
I'll try.
So Lowe shared that he is going to do two in the same time. One is keeping modding from last time's Cody scene plus waiting for code and creating a tell a story game where emoji sprite sheets. I'll see how it goes. Nice. All right. Then I'll guys let me catch up on chat because there were some questions here. So um Jared is saying, looked like this was built using Phaser.js. What is the workflow with coming up with ideas? And then how much do you get in and adjust the code versus the AI making the code? So our 2D playground is running on Phaser.js. And as for the workflow, you are absolutely able to make your own manual changes in the code, as well as, work with AI. So yeah, let me know if I answered your question. Nice. Then Xmas B is saying that he's been trying out a few alternatives for creating AI assets with very varied results. Really interested in how Rosebud is capable. Nice. Xmas B, have you tried Pixel Vibe? So beta.pixelvibe.ai, right? Let me quickly check. I'll send you the link as well. So yeah, .com. And let us know what you think about the models, because all of the models that are right now available on Pixel Vibe are integrated into Rosebud as well. Great. Let's see. Oh yeah, Vladimir is already sharing his release 0.0.1. Nice. We usually check these like during, I guess, intermissions in Jason's work. So let's just save it. And once you're ready to check other people's works, just let me know and we'll share them.
Yeah, sure. After I send this
With
prompt,
the
I'll
chat.
I'll open it up.
Nice. I can send it to you in Slack if you can interface that easily.
Sure.
Nice. All right. Jason, if you already saw a question from Gadget KK, so can a loose condition like the ball falling in the hole throughout the floor? I'm not sure. Maybe you can clarify, but maybe Jason, you already understood.
No, they're saying like they want
Roro.
to. The idea is for a new way to lose where there's holes in the floor, which is a good
Oh,
idea.
to lose. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'll add that afterwards.
Roro. Yes, cool. Roro Track is asking a very interesting question. How did you come up with the name Rosebud? This I'm going to give Lisha the stage. Lisha, can you explain?
Why Rosebud? Okay, so this is actually a cheat code from The Sims 1. So basically, I play The Sims 1 as if it were a 3D sandbox. I had to accrue a lot of resources via the cheat code so I could just stay in build mode and build a virtual world. So yeah, I don't know. It's supposed to capture the magic of just creating and conjuring in a virtual world. And I think with AI now, you can really just do that in a lot less time and with a lot more kind of power than ever before.
Awesome. Aurora Track is saying, was it from that movie where the guy says Rosebud?
Yeah, I think that's probably the reference for the person who wrote that as the cheat code. So it's
Mm,
safe to assume because that is a very, very famous classic movie. But for myself, it was because of it being used in The Sims as a cheat code.
yeah, nice. Rorotrack has to go, but Rorotrack, check your DMs. We're going to invite you to check out Rosebud. Looking forward to your games and your feedback. Nice. I'm making sure I didn't miss anything, but guys, everyone who is super active in the chat and sharing their own experiences when developing games is going to get access to Rosebud. Keep your DMs open. I'm going to give you a secret invite really soon. Um, some of the users are sharing their own games and assets that they've been creating, so
Also, Farida,
it's
this
really
is
cool.
this is Vladimir's project, right?
Oh, nice. All right. Yeah, this is Vladimir's project. Vladimir, maybe you can comment.
Yeah, you can, when you're near the character, you can click E button, and it will open the chat. You can chat with this.
Mm,
Yeah, you can click escape to close the chat and walk around again,
Mm.
and then open it again. So yeah, now working on
mm.
adding better logic of characters movement, and then I'll try to add more characters and some interactions.
Cool. So can you talk right now? In the yeah, I
Yeah.
think Jason's trying it.
Awesome.
Nice. Gadget is asking Vladimir, was those assets created by Pixel Vibe?
Mm,
Are these open like assets?
no, it's my separate assets.
All right,
So
like a
this,
super secret Vladimir stash of assets. So
yeah, this one was not created, but if you like the style, we can definitely add this as a style.
yes,
Hmm.
for sure. Wiking Gaffa is saying this is super interesting way how the future of game development will be. Yes, definitely. Like at the moment, what you're seeing is Jason is creating, is making some edits to the game that he already created before. This is like a tap basketball game where you need to tap the screen to get, the ball to the hoop. What are you adding, Jason? What is the goal here?
So I don't remember who suggested it, but they suggested that you could unlock a ball. So it made that the basketball's going to turn into a soccer ball when you get 20 points.
I see it. Yeah, it's already
Yes,
generated.
yes. Just need to actually
Nice.
get the code working.
Cool. So Jair is asking Vladimir, is it possible to build a dialogue system for these characters that's pre-written instead of LLM generated?
Yeah, definitely. You can just write it as like in code or try to chat with system to invest this system for you. So it's possible. It might require a bunch of steps, but yeah, everything you can code is like can be done.
Nice. Roberto has shared his own in-progress version, Skibidi Toilet Clicker 0.01.
Yeah,
All
the
right,
goal is
this
to
should be interesting.
get rid of the to flush away the skibidi toilet.
Nice. I will be queuing this up as well. All right, Pichu is actually sharing some of the issues that he's having. So he says, I can't seem to add assets to my project. It keeps giving me the message below, even though I created and uploaded assets to the assets tab and
Hmm.
clicked on them to prompt it to add to the scene. It says, sure, please choose a style below and click create to generate the Canva house bottom left black square. You can also upload assets. Gadget is saying that he's having the same issue. So this is with uploading the assets. are we aware of this, right?
Yeah, no, it's like something about the assistant sometimes is very eager to generate new assets. I just even had it right now with the ball, so I just had to kind of re-upload it. Sometimes telling it that you already have it will work. Sometimes you have to just upload it again. But it's something that we're definitely going to fix soon.
All right, guys, stay active in the chat and you're going to get access soon. I'm actually going to go up and give access to everyone who has been active so far. So keep your DMs open and await the invite. All right, Jared has been active in chat, so he's getting access to Rosebud. I'm sending you the DM, so go check it out right now and actually just share your experience in chat with us. And we can, troubleshoot any like issues that you have, or just, have your live feedback here. Garo Fall, he has been also sharing a lot about his game making journey. So he's also getting access to Rosebud right now. Congratulations. Nice. Everyone also has been super active. He has been with us since the mic check, so he's getting access as well. Congrats. Let's see. Checking the chat. Cool. People are just asking beta testers. So beta testers in chat, they have this like purple username, so you'll be able to see them, guys. All right, Wiking Gaffa is saying, a few months ago, I worked on a game with RPG in a box. A lot of the work I did with ChatGPT and Google Bard was to generate the different characters, their backstory, likes, dislikes, etc. Can we have this back and forth with Rosebud? Roberto has been experimenting with concepting with Rosebud. We even have a blog post about this. So this is definitely something that, you are able to do. But in the future, we, will be looking, to make this even better, like just have like some concepting ideas that you can maybe like have a special mode. What are you interested in? Like, are you just interested in, using Rosebud as a concepting tool, or yeah, just share your thoughts about this wiki Gaffa. PyApp is saying, when generating code with AI prompts, does it automatically update the code, or do you need to bring the new code over? Alternatively, as you make manual changes in the code tab, does the AI parse what has been added? So the first question is, does it automatically update the code? It does when you press the button to, when you get the code, you just press apply and it automatically applies it. Then you are saying, if you're doing manual changes in the code tab, does the AI parse what's been added? So this is like ideal situation. It should be, working like that. But at the moment, we're working on solutions to make it happen. Jair is asking, what coding language does the code tab use? So 2D playgrounds are running on Phaser.js, so JavaScript. Cool. Gadget is sharing his own game that he's made, so everyone check it out as well.
Okay, I
He's
just
saying
added
not
the.
complete but playable.
So I just added the soccer, so I can show the queued up projects file. I just added the soccer feature.
Nice. All right. Cool.
So
Yeah.
again, we probably should note when people suggest this. We can shout them out.
Yes, I'll also share with you, the Gadget KK game here. Yeah, everyone, I think we have quite like at least a couple of beta testers here in the audience. So feel free to share your own games in the chat, share links, and we're just going to, also show them in the stream as well. Nice. David Lee is asking, can we import pre-existing code, including code split, into multiple files? So if your code is, written in JavaScript and like it is basically, you can upload that. Right now we don't support multi-files, but yeah, are you super interested in uploading your own code? What type of, language are you coding on, David? We also have a question with Coupe Melba. Will Rosebud ever have integrations with other game engines? What type of engines are you interested in? Scorpiology is saying, I want to see what it can do. We're going to show you. All right, Jason, what is the game that you're showing?
Well, I was just showing Roboto's project.
Nice. All right, this is Skibidi Toilet, guys. You should be pretty aware of this at the moment.
Yeah, it's really trendy right now.
Nice.
Right.
For some
Yeah, the goal
reason,
is to
it
flush
kind
him
of,
away, right?
yeah, it kind of moves when you click it. So yeah, it looks like a bug, but it may be an interesting feature.
Nice.
Right. And also we have this project from Gadget KK, right?
Yes.
Nice.
Gadget, feel free to explain this in chat as well, but I think this is also pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, tower defense.
Nice. I'm going to go over some of the other questions. Yes, guys, everyone who is active in chat is going to get access to Rosebud real soon. I'm going to DM you special secret invites, so stay active. We're going to take just a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to go like up the chat and give everyone access. Cool.
Was it Gadget that suggested the way to lose by falling to the ground in the basketball game?
I think yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Or whoever suggested that, just come forward. Yeah, he says that it was him.
Awesome. Okay, I'll add that after next.
Cool. Wiking Gaff is saying, I'm hoping for a full game engine that can make my ideas a reality. I would like to make some kind of small homestead farming game. Oh my god, I'm a big fan of these type of games, and there's a big definitely audience for this. Kind of like cute games, chill types. Also, Gadget KK is suggesting you, Jason, that you can add a splash when you make a basket. Alright. So, Coop Melba is saying, like, easy porting between Rosebud and Unity, concepting to production could be interesting for larger teams that already use a set game engine. That's interesting. We're going to note this definitely. Unreal Engine. People are saying, also Coop Melba is saying, definitely I feel like working with the Godot community would be interesting. That's cool. Mids is asking, can you create any type of game? Yes, you can create any type of game. Nice. So I'm going to go up, guys, and give you access. I already know who has been active in the chat. All right, let's go. All right, Wiking Gaffa, you have been pretty active sharing a lot of things and your thoughts. So you're getting access. I'm going to DM you, and yeah, when you log in and everything, feel free to share your feedback here in chat. Nice. I sent you the DM. Let's see. Scorpiology. I've been seeing you in chat for some time, so you're getting the access as well. Let's see. All right, Coop Melba, also like really great conversation. Let's have you get the access to Rosebud. Nice. Moving down. Diesel Tater, you have been asking to give you access. Can you share a little bit about you? What is the game that you're going to create in Rosebud, or what you have been working on? All right, there are a couple of questions already piling up. So let's answer them and then maybe do some updates from the team. Cool. So let's see. Can Jason beat Corey's score? What is the game that Jason is trying to beat
Are there any updates? Because that was really
Corey
cool. I
in?
liked it.
Is this like, are you talking about specific template that you made?
I didn't see the comment. Where
Yeah,
is
it was
this?
Gadget KK about he's saying, can Jason beat Corey's score? I'm not sure what type of score is that.
Mm.
Henry is asking, this is
Did
all.
they made a
Oh
game?
yeah, go ahead.
I was just gonna say they made a game. Let me find the link, or maybe they can
Oh yeah.
Oh,
relink
It's
it.
totally
it's their
inside
game,
of their
maybe.
game.
There it is.
Yes, totally, yeah. All right, Henry is asking, is this all in the browser? You don't have to download anything. No, you don't have to download anything. Everything is browser based, and when you share games, you'll be able to share them with anyone, who has a browser. They'll be able to play it through your URL. Can Rosebud also make sound music? Wiki Gafa. Are you super interested in that? What type of like sound music or like what type of, I don't know, like things are you interested in? Garafol, he is asking, is it possible to create small dungeon crawlers? Well, now as you have access, you should definitely try this and let us know how it goes. Scorpiology is asking, can we make rhythm games in Rosebud? I think everything is possible right now, and you have access right now, so go ahead and try that. Let's see. Henry is asking, are you able to export the game projects, or is it strictly just for the site? Yes, at the moment, like you're publishing a game through a URL, and people are able to play this game on any browser. But what type of publishing you're interested in, just share with us your ideas about this. Nick is saying, this is awesome. Abadi and I are almost finished with the game using RPG Maker MZ. This would be a much better experience. Does Rosebud have a public roadmap or more details on the platform's public release timeframe? Yeah, Nick, these are really great questions, and soon we're going to deliver like a roadmap, but this is like for beta testers to also help us prioritize some of the features. But yeah, go ahead and visit the Rosebud website, and we're going to update it real soon. Just keep an eye on that, and our Discord, obviously. Coop Melba is asking, also this may have been answered before, but is this using GPT as an LLM, or did you train your own for Rosebud? Curious to see the specificity. So we probably won't be going over specificity, but we're using open source and some proprietary LLMs as well. Gara Folha is asking, or just saying, the pixel icon from Rosebud looks super cool. All right, nice.
Hmm.
All right, people are super active, so really quickly going down and then going to share some updates from people who have been, from team members who are working on developing their own game right now.
Yeah, I fixed the movement logic and added other character. Now figuring out bugs I introduced by adding this new logic.
Nice. uh, Everyone is also asking, does Rosebud have mobile support? You can play a game like in browser, so anywhere on mobile, but at the moment the game creating like aspect of it is not super optimized for mobile, so keep that in mind.
We're also planning to introduce some like mobile native templates. So basically, already the screen is optimized for mobile because Phaser can do this, but it's just not there yet. You can actually prompt it to do that, but I think just to make things simpler for people, we can introduce a couple of templates that are just for that.
Cool. So anyone else from the team want to share their updates? John, have you made your improvements that you wanted to make to your game?
Still working on it. I'll post a link in a few minutes.
All right, cool.
I've made some improvements in there.
Do share the
I
link.
can share the progress.
Mm-hmm.
I want to make it like you can write your like you can randomize with different emoji and tell your own story. So I want to create a fact like with your quill, and when you
Mm-hmm.
click and there is a random emoji pop up, and you click for a few times, it organically creates a sort of story hint, and you make a story, bedtime story out of.
Nice.
But now none of them is working. Only the first step is working. If the
Mm-hmm.
quill travels with your mouse, this
Yes,
should.
I see it. That's cool. Nice. Jason, I have sent you the link in Slack, so when you're ready, we can check out Liwei's game.
All right, sure. Um,
Great.
mhm,
All right, let's answer a couple more questions then while we're waiting. So Wiking Gaffa is saying browser based is really nice. I can play around with it on my way to from work. What are the future business plan of Rosebud and also monetization of the games we make? Lisha, maybe you can answer this one.
Yeah, I mean, our goal is, very similar to how Roblox created such a thriving ecosystem for developers to make games. Like, we want to keep the tool free, and then eventually, if there's a big enough ecosystem where people are also coming to play, there can be a rev share model. So that's kind of the goal so far, and we'll see if if we can create this time to magic for this tool to create games to zero, so that it happens.
Great. Pablo is asking the games can be deployed for mobile devices as an app. So at the moment, all of the games are browser based. So you have a link that you can share with anyone and they can play it inside of the browser. So not as an app. Henry is asking, are there any limitations to the prompts? You can enter any prompt. Well, yeah, you can enter any prompt. Any like specifics that you wanted to know? I think Jason, you're sharing already Lewis progress,
yes,
right?
it's Louise.
Cool. So this is like a storybook game, right, Lewy?
Yeah, I try to like. So it's supposed to be every time you click, and there's a randomized emoji, and
Mm-hmm.
becomes your story. But now it's not
Nice.
working yet.
Very cool.
That's cool.
Hmm.
Great.
Awesome.
Uh, all right. David Lee is also sharing some of his experience. So he's saying, I'm also interested in getting access. I've got a 2D side scrolling shooter that uses the voice as the sole means of control. Oh my god, that's so interesting. That's cool. The code base is somewhat large and split, organized into multiple folders, hence my previous question. I'm using the bit.ecs as entity component system library for better organization, so I'm hoping that won't cause any complications, which begs the question, are external libraries supported, and if not, what's a good workaround? I want to focus more on game design over development, such as creating new enemy patterns, mechanics, etc., which I hope Rosebud can help with. What do you think, guys, like specifically about what David was asking about libraries? Can you help me answer this question?
I believe we don't support multi-file editing at the moment. All games should be in the single file, but we are working on it.
All right, David. I think we should onboard you, and you can play around and see what you can do, like with the current state that we're in, like super early, and you can suggest us new things that you know are missing from creating your own game. All right. Well, everyone's saying, um, look, there's a user that just cannot get access because we cannot find his username. Let's troubleshoot this with you in DMs after the stream. You'll definitely get the access. We're just going to troubleshoot like a couple of things that could have gone wrong. PyApp is asking, is there a page spotlighting some of the awesome experiences that has already been made with this tool? We have a couple of games that have been created on Rosebud on our landing page. So go to rosebud.ai and you'll be able to see. But yeah, having like a separate page that has all of the games so far would be really nice. So we're working on that. Pablo is saying, thank you very much. Greetings from Ecuador. Greetings.
Hey.
Tony C is interested in creating point-and-click dating sim. What engine or template should you recommend I start with? Jason, what do you think? Point-and-click dating sim.
Yeah, I mean, the new like character AI might be a good start, especially if you want to use the character AI for the different characters you're going to be dating. But yeah, but even if you yeah, character AI,
Oh,
I
sorry.
believe, or AI character, sorry,
You mean, like,
right
yeah.
here.
I don't
Sorry,
want
my
to
bad.
confuse people about like the
Yes,
different apps. Yeah, yeah.
sorry, no, yeah, AI character, my bad. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, also another option is that if you want to write the like kind of like write the dialogue yourself, you could just do a 2D project and then just go to the visual novel character generation or right here. I go to 2D project quickly. Go to the asset tab and then you can do fantasy portraits or general portraits, which are really good for visual novels.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Yeah, the elf queen and wizard are example.
Great. Tony C is already here marked as beta tester. So Tony, if you want to start, you know, making this, you can share your link with us and we can, you know, help you out. Or also in Rosebud Feedback, our special secret channel for beta testers, you are free to share even your code. So Jason or anyone from the team can take a look and like help you out as well. All right. Gadget KK is asking, is this the whole Rosebud team? Yes, I believe everyone is here right now. Yes, as far as yeah. Should be everyone. Henry's saying, are you sending invites through Discord or email? I'm going to send DMs and I'm going to do it actually right now. So I'm going to move up and give access to everyone who has been active so far. Thank you so much, guys. You have been like really active, a lot of interesting questions. And everyone who is in the audience right now, we have 29 people. You know, share your experience with game development or what you want to create in Rosebud. And I'm going to give you access to so you can try out Rosebud. So stay active in chat. Nice, let's go. Henry, you'll be getting access. Let us know how it goes. Then Pablo has been super active as well. So going to invite Pablo to Rosebud as well. Nick has been asking really good question. So sending you the invite. Check it out and let us know what you think. David, as I said, I'm going to send you an invite as well. PyApp, really interested to see what you're going to create. You're getting access as well. Discord is just sending me a captcha because I've been DMing so many people. Nice. Rai is sharing. Well, I'm working on a visual novel story, so hoping we can have like a dynamic story with characters and environment generated. Tried a few visual novel makers before. Cool. Rai, you're also getting access to Rosebud. Let's see what you can create. We have again like a super helpful Rosebud feedback channel that you're all going to get access to once you confirm your email and Discord username. So you are free to share your feedback there, and you know we're helping everyone with their games right now. Matt Brown is saying, "Wow, this looks very exciting. Hope I can get to give it a shot at some point. I'm also super excited to see what other people build with this. Nice. I'd also love to see examples either here or from other people, creators, etc. of successful animations. I've played around and created a few static characters, which is great, but has anybody been able to build a very basic spreadsheet or for very simple animations? Are there any examples? I think this would be pretty neat. We have experimented with this and
I can share an example.
Mhm.
Both like animation plus the visual novel thing, which
Oh, nice. That's cool. Do we?
you can click on the cat, the animations on the cat and the fire.
I'm going to also send this to Jason in DM. So, Jason, if you can, like, when you have a minute, just go ahead and like check this out as well.
All right, should I just open it?
It's yeah. This is like a cozy.
Share the sound.
Yes,
And
I
you can
hear the
click
sound of the fire.
the cat.
Oh, that's cool.
Nice.
Oh, that's super nice. Great. I love it.
Awesome.
Carl is saying
I
cats
used
make
to have
everything better. I
a
do
cozy
agree.
music. Now it got replaced by the fire sound. I'm trying it back.
Nice.
Cool.
Great. Matt Brown, I think you should have access to Rosebud, so go ahead and check your DMs. And if you're super inspired by Loe's game, let us know. And share your link to the game soon. Oh, now I have to like say that I'm human with every person that I'm. Oh my god. So it's blocking me from sending DMs like at all. You're sending too many new direct messages. Okay, Roberto,
Good
you're going to
problem.
take over. Nice.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, I'm going to share with you like the everything that I'm doing
Yes,
right now in
please.
DMs. Yes. So in Slack I sent to you. So we have Matt Brown, who we need to give access to. Henry saying, do we have access to this for a limited time? No, you have access to it forever. So yeah. M Fade is saying, I want to create small, fun puzzle games. Nice. I think this is a nice. Uh, that's just cool. We have been creating a lot of small, fun games. I think Corey has been trying to create a puzzle game, right? Like the first hackathon.
Recently, yeah.
But it
I think I have it around here somewhere.
cool. Also,
Rita,
Roberto, if
every
you can
time
give
you
access to MFade. Oh, yeah.
Rita, every time you give access to people, you sound like Oprah.
You get access. I think there's even like a soundboard somewhere here, but I'm missing
You
it.
need to,
I know,
Roberto, you
we're
need to
still.
prepare
We
some
should
sound
have like,
effects.
yeah, definitely. There should be like inbuilt something, but yeah. Nice. Ty is saying also, I've made a couple of games for the Playdate and I've been doing a lot of research in AI, curious to explore the limits of what one can do with sort of stuff. What language do you use for this? So 2D is running on Phaser JS JavaScript. And yeah. Yes, everyone is sharing that they got access. That's pretty cool.
Awesome.
Henry saying, when I click the link, it's only showing me the homepage. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong. Are you talking about the special link that I sent to you? If you're having some issues, guys, just, I'm going to troubleshoot all of them with you in DMs soon, because right now I cannot do DMs. They blocked me from that. But yeah,
Thanks for the love, everyone. Now we're blocked
yes,
from camping you guys.
yes,
That's good. That's good. Welcome. We welcome that kind of problem.
yes. Nice. So Corey is sharing his the start of the puzzle game where he's going to mix up the tiles and put them back together. We can also take a look at that. Jason, I'm sending that in DMs as well.
Okay, I'll open it right now. Okay, just open it.
Nice.
That's cool.
Yeah. I remember this one. Cool. All right, we have 33 people in the audience. As you can see, everyone in chat who has a purple username is already got access to Rosebud by just chatting here and being active. So just share what are you going to create in Rosebud, what are you just interested in, what type of games are you playing, and you'll get access soon. Keep your DMs open. Aurora Track has access. Nice. Rai is saying music character environments ready to use. Cool. Gadget KK is saying that his ultimate goal is to make a Factorial-like game with belts and logistics and such.
Oh my God, yes. Yeah.
That's nice.
Like cozy vibes for me, but yes. Yeah. No, we're working on it, guys. Keep
Yes.
setting that North Star. Yeah.
Rorotak is saying, does the Rosebud site work on phone? It does work on the phone, but yeah, we're going to make it even better. It's
Yeah,
going to be optimized.
yeah, because right now, let's be honest, it's really hard to do creator mode on the phone. You can, I think we noted this earlier, we do want to upload some templates that, at least for play mode, is optimized for mobile. You can already do it with prompting yourself, but we want to make that even easier by
Yeah.
adding the template. I think somebody also asked earlier about whether there's going to be mobile app. I mean, the thing with the App Store is it's incredibly painful, like especially Apple, to publish anything. And so we'll likely take the Roblox route, which is there will be a Rosebud app, and then within it you can publish your apps, so that it's like you don't have to go through the pain of doing the Apple publishing process.
Mm-hmm.
We can't control for that. Yeah.
Gadget KK is saying, could we get a blank template option?
Yes, we have been discussing this. I think as people who use it more, they want to just do away with all the assets. We totally get your pain. We're trying to kind of, balance that with the first user experience, which is having something there that you can fiddle with. This is just, I think, more of a UI thing, and we want to make sure that there's a blank template there. So for people who are returning, they don't have to get rid of all the assets in order to get started.
Mm-hmm.
Duly noted.
Nice. All right, I think we're actually running over time. It's already we have been really, staying active with the chat. So I think we're going to wrap this up. But people, let's stay for 5 minutes, and team, if you have any meetings or anything else to attend to, feel free to just say goodbyes. But we're going to stay for 5 minutes, and everyone who wants access, just write in chat whatever game you want to create in Rosebud, and you're going to get access. We have 5 minutes left, so everyone should get access, guys. Just get on this.
You all get access.
Yes.
Schools. No, what was Oprah giving out? Something ridiculous. It's like you all get cars or houses or something.
Nice. Guys, also, like everyone who's been working on a game, maybe you have some short updates as well, 5 minutes, or yeah, don't feel limited, but yeah, I think who was it? Loic is saying that he's not going to share his progress yet. Or are you going to share progress, Loic? What kind of progress have you made?
Yeah, I was able to do some of the things, but it's not looking like a game at all. So I'm still working on it. But it's way better than when I started. So
Yeah, yeah. All right. Oh, share the link. Vladimir has shared his link. Andrei, what's the update with the super
I
easy,
was
simple
able
game?
to just. Oh, no, it's not easy. No, 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 no. I was able to create a maze, and that's basically it. And then my game logic got broken. But I'm gonna fix it eventually, later, or earlier or later. So nothing from me.
All right. All right. PDW 187 is saying great stuff you're working. Too bad I missed most of the presentation, but I'll keep a close eye on development and hope to get jiggy with this and play around with the platform. All right, that's cool. Roberto, we should give access to PDW 187.
Yeah, sure. I'm writing
Nice. And
games right now.
also, yeah, so everyone who will be writing messages in chat right now is going to get access. So go ahead, guys, share anything that you like here in chat. Yes, yeah, we've got Matt Vid Pro onboarded as a beta tester. Nice. Name dropping. Yeah, we're finishing up. So Vladimir has shared his progress. Jason, if you want to take a look at
Sure.
that. John, would you like to send us a link? And Lewe? Oh, I think we have a link from Lewe.
I did send. It's in the
Cool.
chat.
It's not mine's not finished yet, but it's like a
Oh, yeah, I
prototype.
see it.
If you oh wait,
Oh,
yeah,
this is
okay.
cool. This is Vladimir's, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah, I also got mine. Mine's like totally
So
broken, I
you
realized. So
still can open chat by clicking E, but it doesn't work.
yeah, I somehow broke chat by reskinning too. So gotta figure that one out.
Work in progress.
Yeah. I like it. AI Town, anyone? A little sim game with characters.
Nice.
Nice. Cool.
All right. I also DM'd you, Jason, all of everyone else's links as well.
Right, sure.
You can quickly take a look, and we're wrapping up. Yeah, thank you, everyone. It's been really nice talking to you. We're going to do hackathons regularly, so keep your eyes, glued on the announcement channel.
Expect one in 2 weeks. That's our schedule for this. But
Mhm.
Yes,
we will also
bi-weekly.
be announcing, but it should be in the same time in 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Yes.
and share your projects.
Jason, you should zoom out.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, this is John's game.
Just zoom out. It's easier.
Sure.
Yeah. Next time you should have model for these skyboxes.
I added some special effects this time.
Awesome.
John, I was talking to Jason, like you can make this like as one of the Dragon Balls effect, Gukong collecting energy from everyone and making it
Oh,
like
yeah.
a super big energy ball. I don't know what you
Awesome.
call it.
That's cool. All right, Roberto is giving access to everyone who's been writing in chat right now. And we're,
Yes.
yeah, cool. Yeah, thank you, everyone, guys. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
It's been really cool talking to you.
Thank you, guys.
All right, thank you, everyone. See you soon in 2 weeks, and keep your, stay active in Discord, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
All right.
Awesome.
Bye bye.
See
Bye
everyone.
bye.
Bye.
Yeah, for anyone still here, I really want to get this feature because the water droplet feature suggested by Gadget didn't work, so I want to at least get the idea of making there be a hole in the groundwork. Then after that, I'll stop. Anyway, thanks everyone.